topic of sources of energy. In previous various topics we have discussed solar energy, thermal power plant, wind energy. Now the basic unit have to become the biomass energy. What is the biomass? First we have discussed about the biomass. The basic definition in our surroundings there are various type of wastage which is available in the form of wastage plant and wastage of animals. These wastage materials is to be known as biomass. This is the basic definition which is related to the biomass. In the universe there are various type of wastage which are coming from the plant and also coming from the animals. These wastage material is coming into the category of biomass. The dead part of plants and trees and the wastage material of animals are called biomass. This is the basic definition which is related to the biomass. In simple language, we can understand that biomass is the biomass is the wastage of various type of materials. Now another, in the biomass the chemical energy is available in the biomass system. The chemical energy is available in the form of carbon compounds. What it means? It means the various type of plants which are containing the carbon element and various type of animal wastage also having a carbon content, and this biomass contain chemical energy in the form of carbon compound. Biomass is a renewable source of energy. Biomass is a renewable source of energy. Biomass is a renewable source of energy. What it means? Renewable source of energy is the source of energy which is easily available in our surrounding and that is reused again and again in the surrounding. This is also known as biomass. Biomass is a renewable source of energy. And renewable, why it is called the renewable source of energy? Because dead part of plants and trees and wastage of material of animals is easily available in the surrounding in continuous pattern. Hence the biomass is known as renewable source of energy. Now there are various type of biomasses. First biomass, wood. Wood is also a biomass. Wood is also a biomass. Wood is also a biomass because when we are burning the wood, there are various type of heat is coming out in the and various type of pollutant products should be also removed in the surroundings. And what is the charcoal? What is the charcoal? How we define the charcoal? What is the wood? We easily know the wood. Wood is a solid fuel and wood is also a biomass. Now what is the charcoal? If we are burning the wood, various type of volatile materials is to be removed from the wood. That material is to be known as charcoal. What is the charcoal? Wood. Wood on burning. Wood on burning. Wood on burning remove various volatile material. Various volatile material. That material, that substance is known as charcoal. That substance is to be known as charcoal. But wood is the major disadvantage of wood and charcoal is that wood have lower calorific value. Lower calorific value. The major disadvantage which is related to the wood is lower calorific value. Wood have lower calorific value and it is about 17 kilojoule per gram. But the charcoal is a fuel, biomass, Charcoal is a wood or biomass, and the basic disadvantage is wood have lower calorific value and the charcoal has 34 kilojoule per gram. Approximate value which is related to the charcoal is 34 kilojoule per gram. It means the charcoal have higher calorific value and would have lower calorific value. This is the baser, lower calorific. This is higher calorific value. Approximate calorific value. Calorific value. This is the disadvantage, which is biomass. Now, another biomass we have considered cow dung. Cow dung is also a biomass. Cow dung is also a biomass. Biomass. But cow dung had lesser amount of calorific value and it also produces a more pollution in the surrounding. That because of that it is not more beneficial for us. But the important advantage from the cow dung is cow dung contains cow dung contain cow dung contain phosphorus and nitrogen, two compound, nitrogen and phosphorus, which is various important elements for the soil purpose. Hence, cow dung is a good quality of a biomass because nitrogen and phosphorus are contained in the cow dung, that is more beneficial for the soil.